Hi everyone, today I am here with a new topic, that is formal charge. So mainly in various entrance exam, also for 11th class and 12th class, and also for BSc and various entrance exam, it is asked for formal charge. So I will discuss here what is the formal charge, then I will tell about the what will the trick. I will discuss this formal charge, how to calculate in easy method. Okay, so actually what is the formal charge? It is the actual charge of an atom, that is the individual atom present in a molecule or in a polyatomic ions. So in a molecule there are maybe 2 atom or maybe 3 atom or maybe 4 atom or more than 4 atom is present. Also in a polyatomic ion, it means poly means more, atom means more than 3 or 4 atoms are present in a polyatomic ion. If there are more number of atoms present in a molecule or polyatomic ion, how will you calculate the charge of an individual atom? So here for this we have to calculate the formal charge. For a molecule and a polyatomic ion, there are more number of atoms are present, more than 4 or more than 3. So if you calculate the individual atom's charge of an individual atom, that will give the formal charge of each atom. So basically formal charge is the actual charge of an individual atom present in a molecule or in a polyatomic ion. Let us take an example, that is a molecule NO3 minus. So here nitrogen is 1, that is 1 nitrogen is there and 3 oxygen is there, total is 4 atom is present. Here 3 oxygen are there, so I have to calculate the charge of each oxygen and nitrogen, so that will give the formal charge. Okay, so first you have to know the formula of the formal charge. Formal charge is equal to number of valence electron minus lone pair electron minus half of bonded electron. Okay, so remember this formula. This is the total number of valence electron. If you calculate the formal charge of the nitrogen, okay, so first I have to write the number of valence electron minus number of lone pair electron present in the nitrogen minus number of electron bonded with the oxygen, that is involved in the bonding. Okay, now I will tell about the how to remember easily. That is formal charge is equal to V minus L minus HB, or you have to remember like this, VL HB. V for valence electron, L for lone pair electron, this is H for half, B for bonded electron. It is the half of number of bonded electron participate. So remember like this, VLHP. So this will be the easy for you to remember. So we have discussed the formal charge and what is the formula to calculate the formal charge. So basically in a molecule or compound, if we add all the formal charge of atoms, it will give the overall charge of the molecule. See here, NO3 minus, it contain the overall charge is -1. So here formal charge of the nitrogen plus formal charge of oxygen 1 plus formal charge of oxygen 2 plus formal charge of oxygen 3. Okay, if you will add all the formal charge of each atom, then it will give the total charge of the molecule or ion. Here total charge of this compound is -1, and if you will add the formal charge of the nitrogen and 3 oxygen, we will get the value that is -1. So here I will discuss about the various molecules like NO3 minus, CO3 2 minus, O3, H2SO3 and SO4 2 minus. I will discuss about all these compounds. Here both ionic and non-ionic is there. Here this one and this one, all three are charged species and these two are neutral species. Okay, so I will be discussing here all these compounds formal charge. One by one I will calculate. So before we are going for the formal charge calculation, first we have to know the procedure. Okay, so first procedure is that draw the skeletal structure. Draw the skeletal structure of the given compound. जो compound दिया होगा उसका skeletal structure पहले draw करना है हमको. So I had discussed the how to draw the structure or know the structure of a given compound in previous videos. So just go through it and you can watch it there. Next thing is that after draw the structure, what you have to do, just fill the electron with each atom. Fill the electron in each atom so that all atoms satisfy octet electronic configuration. Second step हमको क्या करना है ना, आफ्टर ड्राइंग द स्केलेटल स्ट्रक्चर, ईच एटम के ऊपर जितना इलेक्ट्रॉन बच गया है ऑक्टेट सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए हम फिलअप करेंगे. जितना सारा एटम होगा उसको इलेक्ट्रॉन, उसमें जितना सारा एटम होगा हम उसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन फिलअप करेंगे सो दैट it will satisfy the octet configuration. That means all the atoms contain 8 electron. We will go for the octet configuration. So except hydrogen, all the atoms contain 8 electron. So there are also some limitation or exception is there, that some of the atoms it can expand their octet. That means it can contain more than 8 electron. So these atoms are mainly, they have vacant orbitals. Okay, therefore they can expand their octets. So no need to bother about this. So just remember, this is the procedure. Third step is that calculate the formal charge of each atom using formula what I had discussed. So first is that we have to draw the structure of the CO3 2 minus. So first choose the central atom as carbon because this is least electronegative. So here carbon. So carbon have 4 valence electron. Okay, so we have 3 oxygen here. 3 oxygen is here. So for 3 oxygen, this oxygen have 2 electron here. So to fill octet it need 6 electron. Okay, here 2 electron are there. So to fill octet it need 6 electron. Just fill the electron. Here 2 2 4 electron are there. So this oxygen need another 2 electron. Okay, so this carbon contain 2 to 4 to 6 to 8, total 8 electron is there. Here this oxygen 8 electron, this oxygen 8 electron, this oxygen contain 8 electron and this carbon contain 8 electron. Okay, next thing is that we have to go for third procedure, that is calculate the formal charge. Okay, so this is oxygen number 1, this is oxygen number 2 and this is oxygen number 3. So formal charge of carbon that is equal to valence electron of the carbon is 4 minus total number of non-bonded electron. So non-bonded electron is 0 because no lone pair is there. Okay, minus half of the bonded electron. So bonded electron are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 are bonded electron, therefore 8 by 2 that is equal to 4 minus 4 that is equal to 0. Okay, so formal charge on the carbon is 0. Next, formal charge of the oxygen number 1. Here this is. So here valence electron of the oxygen is 6 minus number of lone pair or bonded non-bonded electron, that is 1 2 3 4. 4 are non-bonded electron or lone pair electron minus half of bonded electron. How many are bonded electron? 1 2 3 4, that is 4. So 4 2, that is 2. 4 6 minus 4 minus 2, that is equal to 0. So this oxygen have formal charge is 0. Next, formal charge of the oxygen number 2. Okay, so this is the oxygen number 2 and valence of the oxygen valence electron is 6. Number of non-bonded electron, that is 2 to 4 plus 2, that is 6 minus half of bonded electron. Bonded electron is here, one bond is there, therefore 2 electron. Total is 6 minus 6 minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. So this oxygen contains charge that is minus 1. Formal charge of oxygen number 3, that is equal to this oxygen. This is the oxygen number 3. So valence electron, number of valence electron of the oxygen is 6 minus number of non-bonded electron or lone pair electron. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 are non-bonded or lone pair electron minus half of bonded electron. Bonded electron is 2. The one bond is there, therefore 2 electron. So 2 2 cancel, that is 6 minus 6 minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. So this oxygen number 3 also contains charge of minus 1. Okay, now I have told that if you add all the formal charge of the each atom and calculate, you will get the total charge of the compound or molecule. Okay, total charge is 2 minus. Okay, therefore we will calculate, that is formal charge of the carbon, that is 0 plus formal charge of the oxygen number 1, that is 0 plus formal charge of the oxygen number 2, that is minus 1 plus formal charge on the oxygen number 3, that is minus 1. If you will add, this minus 2 is the total charge of this compound. Okay. So likewise, formal charge on the ozone we have to calculate. First thing, we have to draw the structure. 3 oxygen are there, so we will write 3 oxygen. Okay, one oxygen bonded other oxygen with double bond. Okay, now this oxygen contain another 4 electron. Okay, so if you will form this double bond, total electron of this oxygen is 2 to 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10. So oxygen cannot exceed the electron, maximum electron is 8 electron. This is a octet satisfied species. Okay, therefore what you will do, it will form bond with the single bond with the this oxygen. This now just fill the octet configuration of all the atom. Okay, so here 2 bond is there, therefore 2 plus 2 4, that is another 4 electron need. Here it form a 1 bond, therefore 2 electron is there, it need another 6 electron. Okay, now this oxygen 2 electron 2 electron 4 plus 2 electron, that is 6 electron, and here 7, 8, 9. 3 electron and that is 9 electron. So oxygen cannot exceed more than 8. So therefore we have to remove 1 electron from here. Now all the atoms contain 8 electron. Okay, this is 8 electron, this is also 8 electron, this is also 8 electron. That is, next we will go for the third step, that is calculation of the formal charge. So this is oxygen number 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Okay, so formal charge on the oxygen number 1, that is equal to total valence electron of the oxygen 6 minus half of bonded electron. Bonded electron is 2 here. Okay, so half into 2 minus lone pair electron 2 plus 2 plus 6. Okay, so 2 minus 2 to cancel, that is 6 minus 1 minus 6, that is equal to minus 1. So this oxygen contains charge that is minus 1. Formal charge of the oxygen number 2, that this is the oxygen number 2. So total valence electron is 6, that is oxygen, minus half of bonded electron. Bonded electron is 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6. Half into 6 minus, here this oxygen contain 2 non-bonded electron or 1 lone pair. Okay, so therefore lone pair electron is 2, that is equal to 6 minus 3 minus 2, that is equal to plus 1. This oxygen contain plus 1 charge. Formal charge of the oxygen number 3. This is the oxygen number 3. The total valence electron is 6 minus number of bonded electron, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Therefore half into 4. Half of bonded electron minus number of non-bonded electron or lone pair electron. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are there. So this is 6 minus 2 minus 4, that is equal to 0. So this oxygen contain formal charge 0. This oxygen contain formal charge minus 1. This oxygen contain formal charge plus 1. This is minus 1. This is plus 1. Now I have told that if you add all the formal charge of the each atom, then it will give the total charge of the molecule. So total charge of the molecule is 0. Therefore, if you will add oxygen number 1, formal charge of the oxygen number 1, that is minus 1, plus formal charge of the oxygen number 2, that is plus 1, plus formal charge on the oxygen number 3, that is 0. This will give the total charge, that is equal to 0. Okay. Likewise, follow this procedure and solve these two compounds. Okay. In next video, I will be discussing about what will be the formal charge if there is resonance is present. Okay. In resonating structure, how will you calculate the formal charge of the each atom? Okay. So thank you everyone. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and like and also share. And if you need any topic or any difficult topic, you just comment on the comment box.